All right, guys, serious talk time. Just a disclaimer, this is not going to be a fun video. So, under much conversing, deliberation, we have decided to end S&R motoring. Just kidding.
I can hear the heads exploding
Yeah.
now.
Yeah.
I like making that noise a lot.
Yeah. But yeah, serious talk.
Real talk?
Real talk.
Real talk.
You all know that I've, have been having problems with this car, and like I appreciate everybody's help that's been suggesting to try different things. Like I don't know. Like somebody suggested that I do a map. There's a map sensor mod you can do with the AFC and all that stuff. But I've decided
to sell G-pop.
No. I've decided instead of using all these piggybacks and all this stuff, someone sent me a standalone. Why not use it? Right?
I've been saying that for a while.
Yeah.
Or if you're not going to use it, I'll use it.
Yeah. So, today, we're going to start tearing everything apart again. But I mean, we don't have to pull the motor or anything like that. We just have to take off the fenders and the bumper. Again. And yeah, we're gonna start on this standalone. We're gonna start on this journey of wiring this guy up. It's gonna be a lot of work. We've never done anything like it before, but I've never rebuilt a motor, and that seems to be working out pretty good. I know they're two completely different spectrums, but it can be done. We can do it. And it's not like I can drive the car anytime soon, like on long trips or whatever like that, because it's not registered. I owe taxes on it. And there's no insurance on it or anything like that. So we have the downtime. And if you don't remember, when was it? March? It was March. We were supposed to have our big race at the Darlington Speedway, but with everything going on, they canceled that and they moved it to the end of July. So we're gonna try our hardest to have everything done by then. So the car's running good, it won't die anymore. And yeah, so we're gonna start on the standalone.
Dun dun dun. Need more ride before it goes down for a while.
I mean, what's the point?
Feel them boosts in your hair.
Guess we can. So yeah, we're gonna take one more ride in it. I'm kind of scared. Like, I mean, it's gonna die.
Okay, we'll start wiring. I don't feel like walking home.
Yeah. So yeah, we're just gonna start. We're gonna take the fenders and bumper off today.
It's already 7:40.
Yeah, it's already getting late. So we finished our podcast this morning at like 6:30, and we've just been talking about all the different options, and it just boils down to just biting the bullet and wiring up the standalone, and going at it like that. And again, huge shout out to Level 10 Photography. I'll put his link. He's got a YouTube channel and an Instagram. He's the one that actually sent me the ECU. So yeah, and that ECU, it does a lot. Like, we were just looking at it on the computer, and it controls a lot of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna give him a little rundown of what it all does.
I don't remember.
Oh, okay. It does pretty much everything that you want it to do. Fenders, bumper, come off. And we're going to start disconnecting all the wires. Like I said, today's not going to be an exciting video. Not that
Any of them are.
all of them are, but yeah, I just figured instead of just it's the same thing every week. I mean, you can see it in the videos. Like we just battle the same problems, and doing new wiring and everything will help solve a lot of that. And maybe by then I can get a new blow off valve. So yeah, we're gonna start pulling all this stuff apart. I know it's so close to like to getting it running and stuff, but it's just I feel like I'm just gonna keep battling the same issues.
It's kind of like a boost problem. It's kind of the same thing.
Yeah. So yeah, we're just gonna bite the bullet, and like I said, we got the time. If you would like to come along with us in this journey, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification, and that helps us out a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna have some stuff for sale pretty soon. I'm gonna have a 1G mass airflow for sale. I'm gonna have a knockbox for sale. I have an 87 knockbox somewhere too. I'm gonna have a turbo timer for sale.
ECU. Factory ECU.
Yeah.
I don't know how in demand those are
Yeah.
for these cars.
Yeah, here we go.
I was just say that's most your EC harness, right? ECU harness right there.
That's all I need.
Most of it, yeah.
Pretty simple, huh?
So easy a caveman could do it.
We are not sponsored by Geico.
But we'd be down with it if you want to sponsor us.
Yeah.
Geico's. Or anyone else.
Yeah. So far we've got all the fuel injection harness unhooked. I'm working on getting the front bumper off, and then we can start, once we get all that off, we can start pulling all that back through. And that wire tuck I worked so hard on, it's just coming right back off. But we did leave that blank because we knew that this would happen one day. Yeah, so, all right, so yeah, we're going to continue on with this and see how far we can get today. Hopefully we can plug it up and start it today.
That's gonna be one time lapse.
A 3-day time lapse.
Yeah.
Well, this is a familiar sight. Both fenders and the bumper are pulled off, and we're unhooking the wiring. Maybe we should just go ahead and pull the motor too.
Just bite the bullet. Just go ahead and do it and put an LS in it. Be done with it. Be done with it.
I've said it once, and I'll say it again. This car will always have the G54. If I ever was to acquire another one, maybe through a raffle. Just kidding. Maybe if I ever required another one, yeah, it would get a motor swap.
So, if you put a hole in this block, you're gonna hunt down another G54.
I will.
Such a purist.
It's just this car.
No, don't tell me that.
It's just this car. Like I said, if I ever get another one, if we ever get another one, like with the channel and whatnot, it'll have a different motor in it. Not sure what it would be. I'd probably go V8. I'd probably go LS.
Or when you see?
No. I need something simpler. LS.
These are great.
It's got them dual overhead cams and all that jazz.
You have single.
Hmm?
You have a single overhead cam.
I know. It's easy. Easy peasy.
So it's dual.
Anyway.
It's got the buckets, no valve lash to adjust.
Oh,
except
really?
for with shims.
Yeah.
I think it's like the 7M. Could be wrong.
I'd like to try old pushrod V8. Tried and true. What are you having a problem with?
Getting my hand on the back of the alternator
Oh.
so I can get it unplugged.
It'd probably be easier to get it from the bottom, you think?
Maybe. I don't know. I'm fat.
So another cool thing about going standalone is I can just run a screen on the turb ski and I can see it spinning. Well, I mean, you know, I won't be able to see it spinning while I'm driving or anything like that, but maybe I can, like if we do a pull, I can put the GoPro right here, right in this area, and you can see the turb ski spinning. How's that? Our viewers. Oh man, I can't believe I'm doing this. I'm so close.
Back. It's not too late.
Nah, it's too late. I don't feel like putting the bumper back on just yet. So for now, I'm gonna keep the stock distributor. So basically, all the ECU is gonna control is like the fuel, basically, and some other stuff. Like we can hook up the fans to it and have it come on. I don't really remember what all it does, but yeah, we're just gonna basically be using the fuel part of it for right now. Eventually, I would like to go with a coil and plug setup and use that feature of it as well. But for right now, we're just gonna keep it simple. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for the first installment of the standalone install.
AKA Operation Wolf.
Yeah. Wolfman. That's gonna be Grandpa's new nickname, Wolfman.
G-Pop, AKA Wolfman.
Yeah. Just to recap what I just said, we got the we got the fenders and the bumper off. Started unhooking all the wiring harness, and next episode we'll pull it through and start dissecting it, I guess, and then starts the fun process of the rewire, the wire tuck that will never go away.
Yeah. Should just left it.
I don't know. I kind of have mixed feelings about it. I'm excited that I'm putting in the standalone, but then I'm like,
you were so close.
so close to having it running. But like I said, I feel like I'm just gonna keep running into those problems. So might as well just hook up the standalone and hurt some feelings.
your own.
Yeah. Anyway, like I said, that's going to wrap it up. If you want to help support the channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave us a comment, and go to sandrmotoring.com. Listen to our podcast. All the links will be in the description. Again,
Buy some merch.
Yeah, buy some merch. That helps us out.
New shirts.
Not yet. I haven't got the sample yet. They haven't even started it.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Okay, never mind. I forgot.
Yeah. Eventually, there will be new merch. But yeah, again, huge thanks to Level 10 Photography for sending the standalone. His links will be in the description too, and we will see you next week. See ya.